Okay, same thing with all the other instruments so far. We're going to start with the correct modified pin grasp, fingers across from each other on the handle, third finger resting lightly on the shank with your fulcrum underneath. I will also have a correct grasp and fulcrum with my mirror, so we'll add that first and then we'll add the instrument. So the nice thing is once you learn how to find the correct working end for one instrument, it should work for every instrument. So you're going to fulcrum on the canine, you're going to extend your tip back interproximally, and you're going to check, is this terminal shank more parallel? So it should be parallel with this line right here. Or let's check this one. So fulcrum right there, or is that terminal shank more parallel? It's very obvious that the other one was more parallel to this line. So this is the correct working end for this area. Once we find the correct working end, we're going to again start at the distal line angle of the tooth, and we're going to just gently insert our tip third right there, and then we're going to rock our wrist to do short overlapping strokes into the interproximal area. And once we again get to the contact, we'll kind of work our way out there, and then we'll readjust our instrument, come back to the distal line angle, and then we're going to use our short overlapping strokes along the mesial and making sure that we're rolling in between each stroke to stay adapted. So we come all the way to the mesial and into the interproximal area right there. Once we finish that whole surface of the tooth, we can go back and do our horizontal strokes. So again, my handle was vertical for my vertical strokes, and now I'm going to lay my handle horizontally for my horizontal strokes. I'm going to insert the tip just barely at the distal line angle here and do a couple overlapping strokes there. And then we'll pick it up and move it to the mesial line angle and do a couple overlapping strokes there. And then you're all set.